Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Cash App PIN. So click on your profile icon right here in the top right corner, and then we wanna go to support. So select support right here. So we gotta type reset like soap, and we gotta click on this option right here, reset your Cash App PIN. But you don't want to click on this change Cash App PIN because it will just tell you to contact support. So instead what you got to do is directly contact support right here, chat, and you want to tell them like, I would like to change my Cash App PIN, and they will ask you for some confirmation, probably your email address, and they will walk you through the process of resetting your Cash App PIN. So that's how you do it. You don't have to click on anything, just contact support directly and they will get back to you with information on how you can reset your Cash App PIN. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.